Now I'm going to show you how to do the left attach. This is the attachment you do when you are working your triangles from the bottom up. When we do this attach, you knit across the whole row before you get to the attach. So, okay, so I've knit across my whole row 1 until I get to the last stitch of the row. You're going to slip that stitch knitwise, and then you're going to pick up your slip stitches along the edge of the triangle that you're attaching to from the front like this. You're going to get both of those legs just like we did last time, and then you're just going to slip those knitwise and then insert your left needle into those 2 stitches as if you were going to work an SSK, and work your SSK. So you can see we have attached to those slip stitches, and we didn't increase or decrease any stitches. We just attached this last stitch together. And that's all you need to do.